Hi, what's your name?
S.Y. Ampit Madimban.
Ariel Pate Malimban?
Opo.
Very good. And what is the name of your Mimi?
Apay.
Pay ano?
Pisase.
And how about your dada? What's the name of your dada?
Awin.
Arwin ano?
Awin Sase. Awin Malimban.
Very good. And what is the name of your mommy too?
Eba.
Eva ano?
Eba Sase.
Okay. And how about your Wowo? Your Wowo, what's the name of your Wowo? What?
Woding.
Wowo ding ano?
Woding Sase.
Very good. And
Ano sa Tagalog blue?
Bughaw.
very good.
Ano ang yellow?
Puti.
Dilaw.
Dilaw.
Ah,
Ang violet.
Lila.
okay, okay. Ito naman. Paano ba si Mimi? Si Dada, paano?
Ewan ko.
Okay, very good. Ano pangalan ni Nonon?
Nonong Sase.
Hindi, ano pangalan ko?
Nonong Junjun Bait.
Very good! Clap your hands, clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
See you.
See you.
See ya.
See ya.
Sabi na.